In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect one Notion page to another synced blocks. By the end, you'll be able to mirror the same content across multiple pages, so updates in one place instantly appear everywhere else. This is perfect for shared checklists, contact info, quick reference notes, or any content you want to manage once and reuse many times. First, here's what a synced block is. Think of it as a living container for content. You can put text, headings, lists, images, and more inside it. When you edit that content in any of its copies, every other copy updates automatically. This keeps your workspace consistent and saves a lot of time. Let's start with the simplest approach, turning something you already have into a synced block. Hover over the block you want to sync and click the icon that appears to the left. From the menu, choose Turn Into, then select Synced Block. You'll see a new border and a small toolbar confirming it worked. On the right side of that synced block, click the copy icon. Now move to the page where you want the same content to appear and paste. You've just created a synced version. Edit it here or on the original page, and both will stay in lockstep. If you'd rather start fresh, you can create a brand new synced block from scratch. On any page, type /synced and pick synced block. An empty synced container appears. Add your content inside, then open the blocks menu and choose copy and sync. Head to any other Notion page, paste it, and you'll see a linked copy ready to go. This is especially handy for standardized sections like team updates or recurring instructions you want to share across multiple pages. A few practical tips to make this smooth. Make sure you have access to all pages where you're pasting the synced block. Permission restrictions will affect who can see or edit it. You can paste the same synced block into as many pages as you need, and every instance stays connected. If you notice formatting differences, remember each page can have its own surrounding layout, but the content inside the synced block remains consistent everywhere. That's all you need to connect pages with synced blocks. Use the turn into method when you're syncing existing content, or the / command when you're starting new. Paste your synced copies where you need them, and enjoy edits that propagate automatically across your workspace.